My time at the BrandLab has been transformative. It has helped me grow professionally and personally stronger because of the community and the resources.
I think of myself as an example, the steps that I needed to take in order to get to where I'm at in my career, and being able to be associated with the BrandLab now and seeing that the BrandLab gives you the track that you can follow to get to where you want to get to in your career.
Before I graduated high school, I didn't know where I would start when it comes to marketing. And when the BrandLab showed up to my high school, it was kind of like an easy option because I was just like, where do I start? How do I apply to internships? Will I even get accepted? How do I even build a resume that would be attractive to different companies?
I believe it's given like a lot of people from my background a place or footing in the industry, especially when it's like, you know, you don't see a lot of us in there. But being like, let's say, a bigger brother in the sense that you come together, you collectively help us out from like these low income families to then enable us to have, let's say, hope in the future with our creativity from there.
As a Hmong American woman, I had the opportunity at Stearns Bank this summer to help them with Hmong cultural training. I was able to help with the content and provide training for over 500 employees and figuring out how a company can work together to help a community. The mentorship and resources that the BrandLab has provided to me was more than about professionally growing and personally growing, but rather just giving me a safe space to start with. And so I'm really grateful for that.
Coming into the internship, I didn't know anything about media planning, right? And then my team were able to answer any questions that I had and allow me to actually do client work. That way I'm getting real experience.
I'm no different where you were like 20 years ago. And maybe you might be even better, or maybe you might be at the same position I am. It has helped me realize that people are just people.
I mean, I really applaud BrandLab for their commitment to creating opportunities and to the community that's here tonight, to creating opportunities for people. You know, everybody just needs a little help, you know, and an internship and a great experience somewhere, or a relationship that's built, or a connection that's made can really change people's lives. And so starting early and helping people early in their careers can, you know, open that individual's eyes, but also organization's eyes to the talent and the energy and just the goodness that's out there. So keep it up, BrandLab.
I think that there's just a dire need for programs like the BrandLab.
I think other people should support the BrandLab because it gives students and people who are interested in the marketing industry an opportunity.
When it comes to being mentored by a lot of people, we hear a lot of titles such as manager, creative director, or art director. That seems very high on the scale, as if like you can't reach them. But once you really get to know the person, you realize it's like a roller coaster effect that they had to go through. They're no different than you and I.